Have you ever wondered why, despite doing everything right, eating your protein, hitting the gym, and trying every muscle-boosting supplement, you still feel weaker with each passing year? You lift weights, you walk daily, you eat lean chicken and eggs, and yet, when you look in the mirror, your arms aren't as strong as they used to be, and your legs tire faster than before. The truth is, it's not your fault. You've been told a half-truth about muscle building after 60. Doctors, magazines, and fitness experts have repeated it for decades. Eat protein to build muscle. But the real secret isn't just protein, it's collagen. And here's the shocking part most seniors never hear. Even if you take collagen supplements, they might not work because they lack one key element, gelatin, the missing building block your muscles are crying out for. Let's face it, aging doesn't just make you slower. It literally steals your strength through a process called sarcopenia, the gradual loss of muscle mass that starts as early as your 40s but accelerates sharply after 60. You may think it's just aging, but science now shows it's a collagen crisis. Collagen is the glue that keeps your muscles firm, your joints flexible, and your skin elastic. Without it, your muscles start to sag, your movements stiffen, and your body loses its vitality. Protein builds muscle? Yes, but collagen maintains it. That's why today I'm going to share with you two powerful collagen sources that can reverse muscle loss, restore strength, and bring energy back to your body. Two natural liquids that outperform bone broth by miles. Before we dive in, let me tell you this. Bone broth, though often praised, doesn't give your body what it truly needs. One bowl of traditional beef bone broth might sound healthy, but it barely contains 2 to 5 grams of collagen, far below the 15 grams a day seniors actually need to rebuild muscle. Worse, many commercial bone broths are watered down, processed, and lack the natural gelatin that activates collagen synthesis in your body. That's why even those who drink bone broth every morning still struggle with weak legs, aching knees, and soft muscles. But the good news is, nature has already given you the perfect alternative. Two forgotten sources that can rebuild your muscles, protect your joints, and crush sarcopenia from within. Let's start with the second best source, because it's easy to find, incredibly effective, and deeply rooted in ancient medicine: fish skin broth. Now I know what you might be thinking, fish skin? Really? But don't underestimate this oceanic miracle. Fish skin broth contains 12 to 15 grams of collagen per cup, almost double what you get from beef broth. And it's not just any collagen, it's marine collagen, a special type that your body absorbs 1.5 times more efficiently than the land-based version. That means every sip you take goes straight to work repairing your muscles, tightening your skin, and strengthening the connective tissues that keep your body upright and powerful. What's even more remarkable is how this collagen works synergistically with omega-3 fatty acids and selenium, naturally found in fish skin. Omega-3s are inflammation killers. They calm the microtears in your muscles after a walk, a workout, or even a long day of movement, helping your body recover faster and build stronger muscle fibers. Selenium, on the other hand, protects your muscle cells from oxidative stress, keeping them young and active. Together, they make fish skin broth a complete rejuvenation elixir for your body. Modern science backs this up. In a study conducted in Japan, 120 seniors diagnosed with sarcopenia were given fish skin broth daily for 6 months. The results were nothing short of extraordinary. Participants gained over 3 pounds of muscle mass, while the control group barely gained half a pound. Their leg strength increased, their posture improved, and most importantly, they regained their independence, walking, lifting, and living with energy again. The researchers were so stunned that they called it a natural muscle preservation therapy. But this isn't new wisdom. Over 2,000 years ago, Chinese medicine already used fish skin broth to treat what they called muscle withering disease. Healers believed that the ocean's collagen could restore life to the aging body, strengthen bones, and reverse weakness. Today, science has simply confirmed what ancient wisdom always knew. The ocean holds the secret to youth and strength. Making fish skin broth at home is surprisingly simple. Take the skins from salmon or cod, add ginger, sea salt, and water, and simmer it gently for 2 to 3 hours. When it cools and forms a gel, that's when you know it's loaded with collagen. You can sip it as a warm drink, mix it into soups, or even blend it into your meals. For breakfast, add it to your scrambled eggs. At lunch, use it as a base for vegetable soup. And for dinner, pair it with grilled fish and sweet potatoes. But remember, never mix it with high-sugar foods or processed oils. They destroy collagen and slow your muscle recovery. I'll reveal more about these collagen enemies later. Now, if you really want to supercharge your muscle recovery, you can't stop at fish skin broth alone. You need the #1 collagen powerhouse that most people overlook: chicken feet broth. Yes, you heard that right. Those tiny bony chicken feet are packed with 15 to 18 grams of collagen per cup, making them one of the richest and most bioavailable collagen sources on Earth. And here's the best part. It's type 1 and type 2 collagen, the exact types your muscles and joints depend on. This broth doesn't just help you build muscle, it strengthens the very structure that holds your muscles in place. It protects your joints, lubricates your cartilage, and makes your movements smoother and pain-free. It's also rich in glucosamine and chondroitin, the same nutrients found in expensive joint supplements, but in their most natural and absorbable form. These compounds reduce inflammation, heal microdamage, and let your body recover faster after activity. A groundbreaking study from South Korea observed 85 seniors who drank chicken feet broth 3 times a week for 4 months. The results were unbelievable. Participants increased their leg strength by 28% and reduced muscle soreness by 45%. They reported feeling lighter, more mobile, and more confident in their movements. The researchers concluded that chicken feet broth wasn't just a supplement, it was a functional food capable of reversing age-related muscle decline. This is why, in traditional Chinese and Filipino households, chicken feet soup has been a secret for vitality and longevity for thousands of years. It's what elders drank to recover from weakness, illness, or fatigue. They didn't know the word collagen, but they knew the feeling of strength that came from consuming it. So how do you make it? Simple. Wash and boil 8 to 10 chicken feet with garlic, onion, vinegar, and herbs for 3 to 4 hours until the liquid thickens. The broth should turn slightly sticky when cooled, that's collagen. You can drink it as a healing tea before bed or use it as the base for your meals. It not only strengthens your body, but also makes your skin glow and your hair healthier. But there's something crucial you must know. Even if you're drinking collagen-rich broths daily, you could still sabotage your results by eating the wrong foods. There are 3 enemies of collagen you should avoid if you truly want to fight sarcopenia. First, sugar. It breaks down collagen fibers and makes your muscles weaker. Every spoon of sugar you eat causes something called glycation, which stiffens your tissues and accelerates aging. Second, processed oils like soybean, corn, or canola oil. They trigger inflammation that destroys collagen and slows your muscle repair. Third, alcohol. It dehydrates your cells and blocks your body's ability to synthesize collagen. So if you truly want to rebuild your strength, focus on hydration, whole foods, and collagen-rich liquids instead. Now let's tie it all together. Picture this. You wake up, stretch, and feel strong. You walk up the stairs without pain. You bend to pick something up, and your back doesn't ache. You feel solid, stable, and alive again. That's what restoring collagen does. It's not a magic pill. It's nourishment your body has been missing for decades. It gives your muscles their strength, your joints their freedom, and your spirit its confidence again. So forget bone broth. Embrace fish skin broth and chicken feet broth. They are nature's most powerful tools to rebuild muscle, fight aging, and reclaim the energy you deserve. Start small, just 1 cup a day. In a few weeks, you'll feel the difference. In a few months, you'll see it. And now to everyone watching this on the Seniors Hub, here's your call to action. If you've been struggling with weakness, stiffness, or slow recovery, it's time to take control. Start nourishing your body with real collagen, not powders or gimmicks. Share in the comments if you've ever tried homemade broth, or if you're going to start now. Tell us your experiences, your progress, and your favorite recipes. We love hearing from you. Because at the Seniors Hub, we believe your best years aren't behind you. They're right here, waiting to begin again. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the Seniors Hub, and share it with someone who deserves to feel strong again. Remember, Your strength doesn't fade with age. It fades when you stop feeding it. And today, you've learned exactly how to bring it back.